Hello there guys, this is Dr. Dasani. I wanted to talk about temporary crowns today. Not too long ago I needed a couple of crowns put in. I know, surprise, right? And as it turns out, I was out of town and had my temporary come off. Well, luckily I had friends that are dentists in the area and they were able to put it back on, but that got me thinking about what would my patients do if we had a temporary that came out. So I just wanted to record this real quick and kind of have some tips and tricks as to how to deal with a temporary crown that may come off, and how to deal with it if your dentist isn't around or you're out of town, or even if it's just the weekend. So first and foremost, you want to make sure you don't bite down on it and don't break it, or do not throw it away. If it's just come off while you were eating or while you were flossing, chances are you should be able to get it back on. Firstly, make sure it's clean. Make sure the gum around that area is clean. You're able to brush and rinse it out really well, because you don't want food sitting around there. Increases the chances of you getting a cavity or your gums getting irritated. Secondly, see if you can even put that crown back on, place it onto the tooth. Don't try to force it. It was made to fit that area, so it should very easily go back right on. And I have a little model here that we're going to talk about. This is a demo crown that we have. Oh, as you can see, it says crown right here. And we're going to assume that this is off. Well, there's only one way that this will fit. You see, this does not fit correctly. No matter how much I push it, it will not seat. So just making sure that I am able to get it back on. There we go. Does help. Couple of products that I would recommend. I'm assuming that we would have easy access to a pharmacy or any grocery stores or places that'll carry basic teeth care, oral care supplies, for lack of a better word. Couple of products that, and again, just whatever's available helps, but any denture adhesive helps. So this is one product, Polygrip. You want to make sure it is a denture adhesive cream that comes in a tube. We also have Fixodent, or any generic brand will do too. So really what we're going to do is we're going to take a very little bit, a teeny tiny, I'm going to try and show that to you guys. You take the inside of the cap and put a very little dab on the inside, just so, and place that crown right side the way you tried to put it on. Here we go. Back on the tooth, and with gentle pressure, just push down. And very gently close and make sure you are able to bite. This is a water-soluble substance, so it will wash away. You may need to use it repeatedly until you're able to get back in to see your dentist. But what this is going to do is it's going to keep that tooth covered and protected with the temporary, which is one of the reasons it was put on there. And it's also going to help prevent any discomfort, sensitivity that you may have. Very important to keep that area clean. Make sure you are brushing, flossing, rinsing out well. Don't let food plaque sit around there, because that's just going to irritate the area. And make sure you call your dentist and get back in to have that re-cemented. Well, I hope this helps, and we will see you soon for more tips and tricks.